Good morning, welcome to a 2 and 2 on Monday the 1st of September. This is Kim Watson's for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the Eurodollar first, and as you can see, Friday we ended up quite a strong sell-off day, relatively. Today, there is a potential that we could get a bit of a bounce. It's just statistically, there's a reasonable chance we'll get back to the daily pivot. We've also got the monthly pivot not too far ahead, so just over Friday's high, so there is the potential for that sort of move up. Looking at where we are at the moment, certainly we're in a downward trend, which makes buying against this quite difficult in some respects. But if it does start putting in short-term reversals, as I say, there is the potential for it to come back up to its daily pivot, which sits at 131.53. So we'll be looking at that area. Of course, prior to that, we've got plenty of resistance. I mean, the analyses give probably a clearer picture of what's really been going on there. It is making its way back to the upside at the moment. There is a slight bit of short-term momentum or intermediate term momentum on the analyses here, just pushing positive. So there is a chance we could push up there. So the downside, if we keep on shifting down, well, there's not a lot of support sitting below us, so it's got a free way to go below. If we come back to the daily picture, and you can see you need to go to the weekly picture to find the next sort of levels of support, which sit down around about the 127.60 sort of area, and maybe even lower at 127.06. Okay. Pound dollar, very briefly, sitting on its weekly 50 MA. Oops, let's just come to the dailies first, and we have got the monthly pivot above us. It is looking a little bit more like it could reverse and push up to this sort of level. We have found resistance on a couple of occasions now around that 166.08 sort of area, or just above there, 166.13. That could push up. Quite a tricky market when you look at it on the hourlies, but as I say, if you can break beyond that 166.13 area, we could see some further upside. Today, one thing to bear in mind, it is a US bank holiday, so it could be relatively quiet this afternoon, especially, and volumes being a bit lighter. But today we do have some news out on the for the pound at 9:30. We've got the manufacturing PMI, which can create 30-40 pip moves. Okay, that's it for me. Hope you have a great day. Bye for now.